Welcome to Tech with Artikindi. Today we're going to build in the Corsair 4000D Airflow. I'm just going to show you what I'm going to put in it, and then I'm going to cut in a few times to show you how long I am. We're going to put in the Asus Z690 plus D4, and because this doesn't have Wi-Fi on it, I'm going to put in a Wi-Fi adapter. Otherwise I'm going to put in the 850 Asus ROG Strix power supply. I chose this one because it has a 10-year warranty and it was white. Yeah. We got the ML140 RGB Elite Corsair fans. I got 4 of those. So 2 in the front, I'm gonna go 2 in the top with the radiator. That's a EK Performance 280. Then I got the Hydro X Series XD5 pump in white. I have gonna go 2 SSDs in it, 2 terabytes in it, 1 terabytes. And I have a CPU contact frame, so it's gonna be even better contact when I put on the XC7 RGB Pro water cooler for the CPU. I'm gonna go with the XG7 RGB Corsair for the graphics card, and the graphics card is a ROG Strix 3070 Ti. I'm gonna put in a Intel i5 12th generation 12600K, and I have some various fittings, and I'm gonna use the Thermal Grizzly Hydro Dot as thermal paste. I'm gonna cut in a few times during the day so you can see how long I am. I'm not gonna show you the whole thing, I'm just gonna show you what I'm building with, and then I'm gonna show you when the motherboard is in and some other stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna show you when I prime the radiator. Everything from the Corsair fans is gonna be tied together with the Commander Pro. And since I only have 4 fans and 2 other, 3, I'm gonna need 1 extender, yeah. So I need 1 extender, then I can settle for this one, RGB hub and the fan. And I have extenders, so it's not a problem. I have 4 fans, and then I'm gonna have 1 from the pump RGB, and 1 RGB from the CPU, and 1 RGB from the GPU. So that's 7 in total I need. So the RAM, I have the CPU in, I have both M.2 drives. I have one here with a heatsink on it. I got a heatsink last year from the Christmas present. When you bought enough from EK, you could get a Christmas present. And then there was a passive heatsink in, so I just put it on my M.2 drive. And the motherboard have a heatsink on this one. And CPU in and water blockers in. So right now this is ready to go into the tower. So just gonna keep going, and I'll show you my progress. Everything gone in the case, but I have hit a problem. The 280 performance radiator cannot fit in this turret. If I put it in the front, clearly there's no room for the reservoir and the graphics card. So there's no space here, and there's no space at the top because it will hit the memory sticks, and then yeah, no room. So I have decided to order a 240 normal radiator from Corsair and then proceed with that. So for now I'm a little bit stuck, and I have to drill 2 holes in the chassis to get this one put on, because if I put the frame you get with it so you can mount it on the fans, there's no space for that, because yeah, as you can see there's pretty much nothing to go between here. So I have to drill 2 holes and then just use the screws from the bottom, and then that's it. So that's not a big problem, but biggest problem is that the radiator won't fit. So I have 1 spare radiator, 280 crossflow. If anyone out there need one, I can sell it to you for, well, whatever it costs, and then shipping. So we'll continue this in a few days, and for now we're just gonna do this, and then I'll probably do the tubing tomorrow, and then wait for the radiator, and then I'll come back when the radiator is put in here, and then yeah. But otherwise, everything is in. The Wi-Fi card is in, the graphics card again, memory, CPU, everything, and 2 fans in the front are in. So